Today we will be discussing some affiliate programs that pay you just for referring somebody to their websites, like just getting their email, getting them to sign up, getting their email, having them put their username and their credit card info, and you just get paid. So like right now we got over here Pluralsight. This is a website similar to Udemy, and all you have to do here is get a few people to sign up for their program, and you will get $5 if they sign up for a free trial. uh, this is easy money, guys, and I don't think affiliate marketing can get any easier than this. So if you want to sign up, just click here, join today, and you have to sign up for their affiliate program through Impact Radius. Now here we got Constant Contact. This is an email marketing affiliate program. So same here, they also pay you $5 for each referral that signs up for a trial. Again, a very good program that you can promote to people who are interested in email marketing. So to sign up for this, you have to just click here, apply now. So you have to sign up for this through CG Affiliate uh, or Impact Radius. Again, the same thing. You have to fill out the form. Not really hard. Not going to get into detail of that. So the third one we got over here is Grammarly.com. Uh, they pay you $0.2 for each referral, each free account sign up. So again, not that bad. You can just promote this on, well, not just this one, like generally all these affiliate programs, you can promote them on Quora.com, sign up for an account on Quora.com and answer a few questions there. But make sure you do not sound too spammy. And when you answer your questions, just insert your affiliate link. And whenever somebody clicks on your affiliate link, you'll get paid. Of course, there's a cookie duration. Some have 45 days cookie duration, some have 90 days. This means that if this period passes and then somebody buys the product after clicking on your link, it will not work. So there's a specific time duration as well. You have to keep note of that. So, and as far as Grammarly goes, the good thing is many people need help with writing articles, proofreading, checking their articles. So this has good potential, even if it's only $0.2. If you have a good enough audience to sign up for this, it can show you great results. So that's it for this video, guys. I'll catch you in the next one.